In the realm of compact living, the Midgard stands tall despite its modest 20 feet, 6 meters, length. Crafted by Baluchon, this tiny house exemplifies ingenious space utilization tailored for a young adult's living needs. Commissioned as a backyard dwelling for a couple's son, the Midgard blends functionality with French regulatory standards on towing sizes. Clad in red cedar with aluminum accents, its exterior exudes a blend of durability and aesthetic appeal. Step inside through the inviting front door, and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious living area adorned with ample glazing and clever storage solutions. A sofa bed beckons for relaxation or hosting guests, while adjacent, a compact home office nook awaits with a desk and chair. Beyond the living room, the kitchen unfolds with essential amenities neatly packed: a fridge, sink, oven, and a propane-powered stove. A folding dining table for two underscores the adaptability of the space, catering to dining and work needs alike. Tucked away towards the rear, a sliding door leads to the bathroom, complete with a shower, sink, and toilet, essential comforts seamlessly integrated into the tiny house's layout. Ascend the wooden steps to discover two lofts, the first serving as storage, the second as the bedroom. Despite its snug dimensions, the bedroom accommodates a double bed nestled beneath a low ceiling, supplemented by discrete storage compartments. While specifics on pricing for the Midgard remain undisclosed, Baluchon's reputation suggests a starting point around €85,000, approximately $91,000. This investment reflects not just a home, but a lifestyle choice, a commitment to minimalism without sacrificing comfort.